Msafiri Kinara kamili.
STEVIE.
Nairobi in ashes, seen through a V8 windscreen. Localized 50 shades. I saw your wife cheating through my black Gucci shades. I'm a smart motherfucker, I retreat when I shoot. What are you saying? I really wish you would. I saw your last caption, delete that cool. Sold you my chain, but I need that too. Niggas ain't Judas, niggas just Peter. Lock your house door and hide that Jesus. Stress on my mind, I can't even come right. She said, Alex, please, you should check your sex life. I told her, beating info, you should check your past life. Rapper saying hot, this rapper's just high. I paid for the token, enjoy your limelight. I'm a smart Kenyan rapper with the root of all evil. Msafiri for my verse, you'll pay through the nose. I shine like a saber in the dark, I shine like a star cause I'm one. I shine like the shoe and the tax. Msafiri and I shine kama chain. I shine cause I'm smart, I'm the Swiss, I'm a knife of rap. I shine like a saber in the dark, I shine like a star cause I'm one. I shine like the shoe and the tax. Msafiri and I shine ya wase, Swiss, I'm a knife of rap. Nimevaa black ni kama nimetoka kwa suit, ama nikaa nimetoka kwa moto. Nimevaa black ni kama naenda mazishi wa king wa you. Niko kila mahali kama mtoto mdogo, niletee de yote siku hizi siwi soloist. Sasa jina yangu kwa Google kauelewe ngoso. Kinara kamili is the name of the album. Na hata mstai kujua outcome, Stevie bisha beat bana. Where I come from, weak ass lawyers will set you up. Cheap ass hoes will get you marked. A nice morning jog is a sign of wealth. A late night run is a sign of theft. No one really cares about your day. They ask how you are and they leave it there. Where I come from, boys take loans to spoil loose chicks. The chicks use men to pay house bills. Where I come from, goons of mob justice, I see them cough blood like a dying federale. Education is the key, but the teachers ain't shit. Where I come from, Pop said, Alex, step away from the horse. Mom said, son, usisahau uko na bros. 2 years later, build a fence and a home. Msafiri. I shine like a saber in the dark, I shine like a star cause I'm one. I shine like the shoe and the tax. Msafiri and I shine kama chain. I shine cause I'm smart, I'm the Swiss, I'm a knife of rap. I shine like a saber in the dark, I shine like a star cause I'm one. I shine like the shoe and the tax. Msafiri and I shine ya wase, Swiss, I'm a knife of rap.
STEVIE.
Mboka, saka, kismat, nyaka, hater, songa, biti na zoza. Shetani alitisha lift nikafinya mafuta. Nielewe sina roho, wasichana waliivunja. You can't stop me, kwani hauna kazi. Na stock your dinner kama na day to get even. I lost my dad, I lost my mind, I found forgiveness. I used my red money to purchase to it. Cause I'd rather sleep out than not do music. The industry will mark you, beat them or join them. I want, I'm anointed. Mtaa kuna bus squeezy. Gambling shops Johnny mingi kushinda hata ma chemist. Sina pesa kwenye wallet, labda glove compartment. I'm 10 years in, ya mziki ndio asante. How should I feel nimejona kwa matatu? How would you feel ukijona kwenye billboard? How should I feel nimejona kwa ma t-shirt? How would you feel kwa na miji unalisha? Last week I saw a hotel named after me. Love for my team and regard for belief. Respect for my fans na my Christ for existence. Msafiri Kinara kamili.